Hello there, hope you are very well. In this video, I will discuss what is Google Ads and how important are Google Ads for your business. So, first of all, we will know what is Google Ads. So, Google Ads is a digital advertising platform and we can advertising our business or brand by Google Ads platform. There are many advertising platforms like Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or TikTok Ads. Google Ads is one of them. There are two types of Google Ads network. Number one, search network, and number two, display network. Google processes roughly 99,000 searches per second. This translates to about 8.5 billion searches per day and approximately 2 trillion searches per year. And 2 million websites, apps, and YouTube videos are part of the display network. So you already understand how important are Google Ads for your business. Now I will show you how to create a Google Ads account. So first of all, I open a new tab and search here ads.google.com and press the enter button. Some Google Ads account shown here because I have created some Google Ads account before, but we will create a new Google Ads account. So I create new Google Ads account and open a new window. And here Google say create your first campaign, but we do not create any campaign here. So we click the outside and dissolve this window, and here give some information. First of all, we write our business name. Here type my name as my business name, Mehdi, Mehdi, and here paste our website URL. So now I go to my website and copy my website URL and then paste it here and click the next button. Describe your business to get better campaign suggestion, but we do not create any campaign here. So we click the next button and all of this information we'll skip, then again skip, and here say leave campaign creation and click this button, and here say confirm your account settings. So this information will be used to create your account. You can't change these settings later, so choose carefully. So Google say that our billing country, time zone, and currency cannot change later. So we carefully give this information, and here we select my country, Bangladesh, and Bangladesh time zone, and currency we use US dollar, and then click the continue. Here open a new window and say confirm your account and payment settings. So here are two options. First, Google say want personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist by phone or messaging apps. Google say if you want to receive Google updates by your phone number, then you click yes, or if you not, you click no. I don't want to click no. And here Google say get tips, promo offers, testing and feedback opportunities, and new features invitation by email. So I want Google update by email, so we click yes and then click the submit button, and here we will give our card information here and then save card. I will not add any of my card now, and then I will go my Google Ads account. Here I type ads.google.com and press the enter button, and then click sign in. and I open one of my Google Ads account. And this is our final Google Ads account interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question or any problem about your Google Ads or your Google Ads account, without any hesitation, you will message me. Thank you for watching this video.